Setting up a help desk system in under 30 minutes might sound like a big task, but with the right software, it's absolutely achievable. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a super quick way to get your help desk system up and running in no time. First, start by choosing a reliable help desk software. You've probably heard of all the big names, but I've tried a few and I'm going to recommend a software that's easy to set up, affordable, and packed with the features you need. Don't worry, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below, just for viewers of this channel, so make sure to check that out if you want to follow along. Once you've signed up for the software, the next step is to set up your support tickets. This is where all your incoming requests will go, so make sure it's easy to track and manage. Most help desk software will allow you to set up customizable ticket categories. This helps to automatically categorize requests so you can assign them to the right team members right away. Now let's talk about setting up your team. Most software will let you easily create user accounts for your support agents. It's as simple as entering their name and email. You can also assign them specific roles or permissions so they only have access to what they need. You can also set up automated workflows for ticket assignment, which saves a lot of time and ensures requests get handled fast. Next, you'll want to set up your knowledge base. This is the self-help section where users can go to find answers without needing to contact support. The software we're using makes it easy to add articles and organize them by categories. This can drastically reduce the number of tickets you get, as customers can solve issues on their own. Don't forget about communication. Setting up automatic replies for new tickets or escalations can make your system feel a lot more responsive. Many systems will let you create customizable email templates. You can personalize them so your customers feel like they're receiving direct communication even when it's automated. Finally, connect your software to any communication channels you're using. Whether it's email, chat, or social media, make sure your help desk software is integrated so you can manage all incoming requests in one place. This is crucial for staying organized and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Setting up a help desk system in under 30 minutes is totally possible. With the right software, a few simple setups like ticket categorization, team management, and communication integration, you'll be able to provide top-notch support in no time. To quickly review, choose your software, set up your ticketing system, create your team accounts, build your knowledge base, set up communication templates, and integrate your communication channels. That's it, you're done. Before I close off, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and get your help desk system set up today. Thanks for watching.